For any situation, any kind of worst situation, one mantra can save you. Yes, this is a promise. One mantra can save you. Which is that mantra? It is Krodhana Bhairava mantra. The Krodhana Bhairava will be having the vehicle of an eagle. He will travel on the eagle, which is the topmost, highest flying bird and the powerful bird. And of course, the eagle is a spiritual bird. Krodhana Bhairava is the most angriest and ferocious god against the demons, the evils, and the negative entities. So, the Krodhana Bhairava mantra is like this. This mantra itself, it shows you how danger or how powerful he is. See, this mantra has to be chanted like this only. Keep this in the mind. Om Hak Hum Mahakrodhana Bhairavaya Namah. I'll repeat. Om Hak Hum Mahakrodhana Bhairavaya Namah. Like this mantra has to be chanted. Because there is the power in the voice, in the mantra, and the strength, and then only it will give you the power. You have to chant 1008 times per day. If you do this in the night time, it will be most favorable towards you. And if you offer alcohol, if you offer meat, if you offer sweet, if you offer the lamps and the sandalwood, you mean incense sticks, it will be more good. And you can offer some special sweets for him, especially in red color or in black color. He will like very much. And if you offer meat, he will be more happy. But be careful. Without initiation, you should not do it. If you are doing it by yourself, so be careful and do it. Definitely, he will save you from the dark and he will bring you to the highest of the world. Definitely, he will help you. Once you get the help, and then you can come to me and you can get the advanced help. You mean, if you are not able to spend now, after doing this for several days, definitely you will get a support and you can come to me, you can get the support. Thank you very much. Because I don't do anything free. That is the reason I'm asking you to first get improved yourself and then come to me. Thank you.